Good morning guys. So today I have this beautiful Clasico Style Villa to show you. It is a real little gem, a real find, and I hope you like it too. So we are on Upper Sea. So further down you have the countryside. I'm just showing you the road, nice wide road. Let's go inside and check it out. So just here, as you can see, it's kind of fenced and a 3/4 height gate. It's all been done out in these nice grey tiles. And you have a nice little area where you could put a little water feature or some plants there. So I'm going to take you up the stairs, guys, up to the terrace. And just as you get here, you have a water point there. And it's been turned into a little feature, which is quite nice. Now here's your terrace. And this is a lovely area to sit and lounge. And you can see that the people who live here is really embracing that. So this is a lovely area to relax in the evening and just enjoy. You've also got solar lights up at the top there, if you have a look, and all around. So I'm going to bring you inside and show you. This house has been totally improved on. So inside here you have your living space. You have a ceiling light and fan. That is an actual fan. It does open up. You have your aircon over there as well. And I'm just going to walk up here, pan around for you, so you can get an idea of the space. Just going to close that door over there. So I have the door closed now, so you can see it open and closed. So just give you a different idea of the angle of the room. This is a really lovely room. So I'm going to take you through the archway and we're going to have a look at the master bedroom, the guest bedroom and the family bathroom. So just in here, this is the master bedroom. You have switches and sockets on either side of the bed. You have wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, and just above you got your ceiling light and fan. I'm going to take it at a different angle of the room now, and you can see you have upgraded wardrobes, the sliding doors. And if I just come around here, you have your aircon. That's dual aircon as well. So good sized bedroom. And this is a really nice example of a Clasico that's been upgraded. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going into the bathroom here, or the shower room I should say. And just there you have a very modern shower with semi-frosted glass window. I'll just bring you over to the shower itself. So it's a nice black rainhead shower setting. And just here you have got your sink and vanity unit and your WC. Really very nice bathroom, or shower room I should call it. Now I'm going to take you inside into the guest bedroom. Now in the guest bedroom, of course, you have upgraded wardrobes as well. So if I just pan around here, you have a ceiling light and fan, and you have your aircon. Wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows as well. You can fit a double bed in here, mind. But this is a really beautiful room. And the internal doors have been changed as well. Okay, so I'm going to take you outside. We're going to have another glimpse at this beautiful living space. Again, it's really nice, this property, I got to say. So in here in the kitchen, they have some beautiful tiles, like honeycomb tiles. I'll just bring you close in so you can see. So that says the Times, the Guardian, really nice splashbacks on there. So you have plenty of top and base units. You've got electric hob and electric oven and your sink and drainer. Okay. On the other side of the kitchen, you have your washing machine, plenty more worktop space, your microwave, and your cupboards and your fridge freezer. Just have a look in here. So there isn't a boiler in here, so you have extra cupboard space. Okay, so let me take you outside. We'll go into the courtyard. So the boiler is out here, and you have got a nice shower there as well to keep you cool in the summer. Really nice area this. More storage at the back here, and you've got these the staircase that's been enclosed and taking the metal one away, which is a really good idea, and it's got those little lights all the way up. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs. Now this is a really beautiful villa, as I've said, and you have got all the walls all done. They've been all rendered, all nicely done, with lighting all around, as you can see. Got your barbecue, you got your outside dining, you got your hot tub and your loungers. You've got everything you could actually want up here in living outside space. And it's all about living outside here in Spain. You have got storage here, which is quite deep. I'm always saying some houses you go to and they don't have the door there, but you can knock the wall through and put a door, and you've plenty of storage then. Lovely hot tub. Bit cold today to be in the hot tub, mind. So here's your next bit of storage. So it's quite deep. So isn't this absolutely beautiful? And look at those mountains. You've got spectacular mountains. I'm going to focus in on you. Those mountains are a lot nearer than they show on the camera, I've got to say. And just sitting here in the hot tub, drinking a glass of cava and looking at that scenery is absolutely to die for. So guys, if you are interested in this property, don't forget to contact the agent, not me. People have been contacting me, and I just do the YouTube videos for the agent. So the agent's name is Dawn. info@terrace.com. So don't forget to contact them with the reference number, which will be in the title of this video. There is more storage just there. It's quite deep, but I don't want to open people's personal cupboards. And you have a socket here as well. So the website is terrace.com. I will leave all the details in the description box of this video. Don't forget to share and like on your social media, share it around, because somebody out there would absolutely love this. This house is to die for. Absolutely beautiful. Really fabulous. And you got that beautiful outside space here as well. So until the next time, guys, don't forget, share, like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video.